after months. Your boy back on here, man. But I'm back for good this time. I ain't gonna do what I did and leave off for months again, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I miss y'all. I do. Crazily too, like, seriously, man. But I'm gonna get into, you know, what I've been doing while I've been gone. Little stuff I did to the car while I was gone. Don't get me wrong, I recorded them. But yeah, man, it's your boy Destroyer Motors. I'm back on YouTube officially, bro. I'm not taking no more big breaks like that again, because really, I just miss y'all. That's all it was. I just miss doing the YouTube thing in general, man. That's all that was. So, yeah, I don't even know where to start. So, where I could start is, I guess, well, matter of fact, before I start, let me go ahead and, let me, give me a second. Let me think what I'm about to say.
3 hours later.
Let me remind y'all of what I've been doing these past probably 2-3 weeks. So, it's gonna...
This bitch and everything. Okay, I don't be caring, bro. Oh God, I like it hard. That bitch just look luxurious.
You know what I don't like though, bro? Since I moved from here, boy, y'all got a bunch of shit now. Ever since I moved, Detroit got everything now. I don't like that. Hell yeah, nigga.
Hey, I don't post, but Tudor J on it's on the whip. So.
I'm about to put it on there.
Hey, I'm gonna get more consistent though for sure. My camera just broke, so I can't record. Dang, hey.
We downtown with it too. Y'all, this shit hard. And nigga on pictures, I'm seeing it in person though. Matter of fact, let me hear you rev it from the outside. Let me hear you rev it so I can hear it from the outside. Tell him calm down, boy. He fucking these streets up, straight up. He coming crazy like this. Hey, y'all seen this my favorite Charlie, dog.
Nah, for real. That's real nigga shit, bro.
Already.
For real, bro.
Y'all go blow him up. Tell him come to Dallas.
Hey, come to Dallas. Hey, I gotta come to Dallas.
Come
Dallas
on,
so lit,
bring
bro.
them too.
Hey,
Shit.
we out. Hey, listen, we coming deep. Man. We coming heavy when we come to Dallas. We gotta
Come
show
on,
up.
man.
We gotta show
Straight
up.
up. Yeah, bring everybody. I don't care. Oh, for real. All right, boom. So now that y'all caught up, I'm about to show y'all. Well, first, this is what I'm about to do. I don't take care of my car while y'all been gone. I'm gonna be real. I've been neglecting it. I don't really wash it like that. I hardly even drive it, being real. But y'all gonna know why I don't drive it like that. Ew. Y'all gonna know why I don't drive it like that. Like by at the end of the video, that's what I'm gonna tell y'all, like where I've been, what I've been doing, what's been going on, what's going to go on, stuff like that. So I'm about to vacuum the inside of my car and throw all these, like for example, receipts and whatnot away, And then I'm only here for the free vacuums, and then I'm going to the self car wash. Y'all know I wash the car myself. I'm gonna go over there to wash the car. When I go over there, that's when I'm gonna show y'all the full car and everything I done while I've been gone. But y'all just saw what it was, but I'm gonna just let y'all see it, you know, as a whole. Bryce about to pull up on me. So, but I'll probably put him on the camera when we go to the other car wash. He better come up here and do the same thing I'm doing. Probably gonna get some like Instagram reels and whatnot, stuff like that. So, yeah, man, let y'all know when I'm done, when I get the car wash. All right, wash the car. I'm about to get out and show y'all the car. I'm about to, hopefully it don't kill my battery. I'm about to get out and show y'all the car. I'm about to show y'all Bryce's car too. Since the last time y'all seen it, I had a bump on my face. Since the last time y'all seen it, it upgraded a lot. This nigga hard. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all don't gotta watch the whole thing unless you didn't. But go back to the Honda Accord video. It might be right here on this little eye thing. Go back to that and just look at his car then, and I'm about to show his car now so y'all can see the difference. But let me get out, flip the camera, show y'all the car, what's done to it as y'all saw. But you know how it look overall. Oh yeah, that's a YouTube video.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, it's part of the first video. And you in it. Oh yeah. Let me show them everything I did. I was just talking about you in the car. I was like, yeah, since the last time they seen it, it done changed a lot.
Especially when you're driving too.
It is when it's driving.
I can't wait to see them at night though. That's crazy.
At night, yeah, they way brighter. Damn, that was really it. Shit, tent and the lights. That's all that's new. Alright, so as I promised y'all for the end of the video, I'm gonna tell y'all like where I've been, what I've been doing, what might be going on the channel if y'all like it. So pretty much my last video I did was the 2023 recap. You know what I'm saying? Like everything that happened in 2023, all the events and whatnot. And then I stopped posting after that. Now, why did I stop? I'm pretty sure it's the major question. I stopped doing YouTube because really I was off Instagram too. Like a lot of y'all who follow me on Instagram, y'all probably noticed like I wasn't on there neither. I was off of Instagram, YouTube, just social media in general. What it was before I did YouTube, really, I always used to do that. I'd be on social media I'd be off social media, my bad. I'd be off social media from like January to about May-ish, April. All of them tripping. But yeah, my bad. I got off topic. I was having a little fun. But yeah. Well, like I was saying, my bad, y'all. But before I did YouTube, yeah, I used to get off of, you know, Instagram and just social media from like January to April, May-ish, around that time. Normally, I use that time to like fall back from, I ain't gonna say life, because it ain't that. You can never fall back from life. That don't make sense. But fall back from like, you know, not everybody, I can't even say that. Because it wasn't necessarily, you know, getting away from everybody. It was just like, I hope y'all get what I'm trying to say. But what I'm trying to say is like, I was just trying to, you know, get myself together, get myself up. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't quit. I ain't fall off, I fell back. You know what I'm saying? Big difference. I ain't fall off, I fell back. Because if I fell off, I wouldn't be making this video right now. And, you know, I just took that time, you know, work, trying to get my money up, whatnot. So another thing, I'm officially a truck driver now. Yes, I'm a truck driver. I started truck driving. Really, my last couple videos, that the Honda Accord video, I want to say I was in training in that time. So yeah, I'm a truck driver now, state to state type truck driving, stuff like that. And I was gonna say, if y'all want to see that type of content, like, you know, y'all want to see me on the road, truck type thing. My bad, I don't know what happened to the camera. But if y'all want to see like truck content, like me on the road, stuff like that, comment down below. If I get like 10 comments that y'all want to see that, I do one, like a day in the life as a trucker type video. I do one, see how that go. If y'all like it, I keep doing it. If I see y'all kind of really ain't fucking with it, different day, same thing though, because I don't know what was going on with my camera. But yeah, let me know if y'all want to see that though. Y'all ain't got to give me 10 comments, just give me about 5. I see about 5 that say y'all want to see that, I'll do that. Yeah, so got one more thing to show y'all. It ain't gonna be much, but I'm on the way to it now. So, but after that, that's it for the video. Now I'm gonna do another video for y'all, so I cut it back on when I do.
Damn, fuck with you having it.
This nigga crazy.
No, this nigga. No way.
This nigga crazy. Oh yeah.
Bro, I fuck with that. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, that shit sweet. I never seen nobody with that at all.
That's sweet as fuck.
I ain't never seen nobody with that. Yeah, that's hard. Damn. Oh shit.
How you flip the car?
Drunk on a gravel road, coming around a corner, fast as fuck, and slid.
You didn't totally?
Nah.
That's what's up.
Me and my
Yeah.
homeboys just flipped it back on.
So y'all flipped it over yourself?
Not him, that's somebody else.
So you didn't just flip over, you can flip it back over?
Yeah.
That's what's up.
It had a flat tire, so we just flipped it over, drove home on it.
Oh my god. Now that's what you call disturbing the peace. Hey though, let me ask you something though. You think this louder or the mirror? You think so?
Hell yeah.
Your mirror was loud as fuck though.
Yeah, but
But
my Camaro it had a higher pitch.
oh, okay. Yeah, it is.
Niggas, no, I don't need nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turn shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?